We have some visitors, like we tell you, and we have some subscribers, and we have some friends and family for the Christmas. So, earlier on, my subscriber was making some fried chicken, guys, got cooked. Okay? Because she said she want to help me cook some, guys. So, you got to watch it. This video will be epic. So, stay tuned. Wait for the goat soup to land. And when the goat soup land, guys, we're going to eat dinner. So, we're going to move to the living room, and we're going to have dinner for the Christmas, guys. So, just stay tuned and watch it back.
Subscribers, this is Lorraine. Since it's Christmas Day, we're cooking up several different meals. I'm going to do a small batch of fried chicken, very small. So this is what I'm doing, seasoning the flour for the fried chicken. Now my choice of seasoning, chicken seasoning of your choice, whatever you want to use. A dash.
Okay.
A little cayenne pepper. And some paprika. That gives it a beautiful color when you fry it. And surprisingly, a little dash, maybe about a half teaspoon of baking powder. It makes a difference to your fried chicken. So here we go. In the flour, mix everything up and prepare to dredge them.
And this is where we are. Yes, this is where we are.
I used to play this for a living. I used this to raise my children.
I don't understand. And I'm one of the children that she paved the way with the playing of dominoes. So I'm just here. I pay homage to Mr. What's the name of the road now?
Mr. B.
Final touch me a bit now, see? Let's go.
The initial water that you
But me I cook in general, make it one juice itself. It better off so they cook faster. And it tastes wicked.
you know what is my problem? I'm an impatient girl.
This
Can we get a shuffle please because I have no six?
It's not said work.
Work. It's a pass.
Yeah.
In the spirit of Christmas. No, another embarrassing.
Shuffle version of no six. It's not said work.
Another embarrassing. I'm sorry. I have a drink right here.
This?
No, it's a big red cup.
That's yeah. This is the seasoned flour to make the fried chicken. So it's all ready. I'm going to dredge the chicken and go ahead and put them in the frying pan. Stay tuned. When we fry chicken, we don't put all the seasoning. Just put the back season on it. Maybe we want, because we're not going to use all this sauce unless we're making some kind of gravy, right? Mm-hmm. 6 pieces. That's good now. That looks like we could take out now, Ron. It looks like it's too hot now.
Yeah, well ready.
You can take out those yeah.
Them buns, them black. I mean the fire kicking. You know, the turn them back at it, well red.
Okay. I don't want it that they have to okay. All right, there you go. Making sure not to cover your pan.
Yeah, cover it.
You don't make a sure you can't hurt that. I don't know the all right. There we go.
And if you need to cover them, then cover. If you don't need to cover.
Yeah.
So the eye
Your
is
choice whether to cover
ready.
them.
Ready now.
Yeah. Your choice to cover them and let them cook thoroughly through, turning on the other side. Right now, we're getting ready to flip them. Okay? We have an editor who's going to take care of all of today. Okay? We're back.
Oh yeah, you just said that.
You have a 4, Rochelle? So you just say you
I
have
don't have no 6.
So that's why I'm asking if she have a 4.
Oh, hold on, Lisa. Don't get my head back because I have my daddy head back.
So play this.
I played on your mom. Oh, okay. Thank you. Is that what we're doing? It's only courtesy. I guess you'll know when. That's you.
Nice. That's temporary insanity. Nice.
You go. What now?
You have a page? Wait. Lauren passed.
Yes.
And then you play.
Yeah.
You passed? You play it?
I pass.
Oh, okay.
Wait.
I'm playing. Yeah, we're going to need to continue.
Oh, no!
What the heck?
I can't.
Courtesy of JD.
Work, I can't take this kind of leisure part. So, yes. Oh, forget that you wanted to.
And it started about yesterday at 11 o'clock to about 5 o'clock in the evening. Yeah, and it's very far. I don't know what my place in New York is like now because the last time I shoveled was Saturday. When they called me and said, meet such and such, I say, you know what? I'm heading out to work, the snow and then to work, you know? Yeah. I read.
That's part of the browning process. I'll continue to brown.
Because I'm out of town. But you know what? I have very good rapport with my neighbors. Because if I'm not there,
Okay, folks, this is what the process looks like. I've added the seasoning and I've brought the liquid almost up to the top. And then after I get a nice boil, I'll bring it down to a little more than a simmer and just let it cook until the meat is nice and tender and the seasoning has worked its way in. And as I say, it's going to be a process, so take your time. Don't just put it on and forget about it. Okay? Good luck. Hello, subscribers. Remember the oxtail that I started to cook earlier today? It's now 2.5 hours. And this is the end result. Nice, juicy, falling off the bone oxtail. Try it my way once and you will like it. Don't use your pressure cooker because you lose flavor doing the pressure cooker. Just spend the time and do it slowly and you will get this result. Now, doesn't that look delicious? Try it.
And Smirnoff.
Just checking if you're on alert. Yeah, we are alert.
Most button.
This one's a pose. This is called Big Woman pose. said thank you. Thank you.
You. Yes, let's do that. Come on. So speedy, baby.
Thank you.
Free.
That not being passed can't in the other play.
Oh, okay, yeah. Okay.
I try to get seven minutes.
These are called the keep, John. Sure.
Not a commenting, huh? Go ahead.
I'm not gonna have a side conversation. I think that there's dissension in the ranks. Okay.
Really?
Yeah.
Is like that?
Yes.
I need just getting my house. The thing that is moving.
Should I make that pass?
Look at driver. This car. The speed as
Me, I'm getting very kind in my way.
Take it when you can get it.
You're going to get lost. No. You're not playing that. Because you already played it already.
Yes. And we're going to play it again.
How many cards do you have, Moshe?
Just for one.
He got two. Super speedy. Ow.
Ooh.
Okay then. One shot. One shot and one shot only. Why? You have to wait on my partner to get a play? Sorry. You disrespect the players like that who have to wait on somebody to get a play. Let's use that. Okay. Each his own. I don't waste my time cut them up and use them. If I'm gonna make a gravy, maybe.
Think so. I think so this what you're going to do. Heat pan fire. I want to know when you tap boil on the top. Yeah.
I have video. I want to have to continue video.
Because I we were sparing. Did we go sparing on the hour?
No. Thank you, madam. I have no regrets.
Alice, we're beating them under the table, Lisa. It's first two.
Keep dreaming. Which table? Which one of the table? The one that's sitting by? Wait, you passed? No.
Having a conversation with them.
No.
Yeah.
Line up to play party.
Okay.
You hear how much time we knock on? Let them just like the woodpecker around here. Yeah? Take.
Don't worry.
Now I never.
See what you're gonna do now.
Straight low. Six low.
Good, good for you. The doctor give you the game.
Six low.
The doctor give you the game.
Slow. I take the invalid.
Wow.
I take the invalid. And you
Let me have that
slow.
cup, please.
See that?
Let me have the garbage. We need a shot.
I took the invalid.
Yeah, let me go get some chocolate. You want another game?
Slow.
What do you have to say to the camera?
Yes, slow.
What I have to say?
Speak to the camera.
I think the doctor give her the game.
Speak to the camera. Say something to the camera.
But the cat got thumbs down.
Slow.
The cat
I
got thumbs.
personally need a shot of Jack Daniels. How much do you leave?
Everything is good. Rice and peas is good. Collard greens. Chicken. Very, very good.
Everyone, I have a taste of everything. Very, very good.
I may not do it. I would know that. I eat that.
Is it good?
Uh-huh.
Yes. Almost done. Everything is good. Curry goat, mashed potato, collard greens.
I have a little of everything on my plate. Greens, oxtail, curry goat, macaroni and cheese, and of course pepper, which I love. This is delicious. Cook steak for bow. I have a little of everything on my plate. Rice and peas, delicious. So nice. Collard green. And I have the pork. Fantastic. Curry goat. Everything. Very, very good. Hats off to the cook. Cooks. Let me see that. Everything. Thumbs up. A plus 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 plus.